So hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to link your IronFX trading account to your MetaTrader 4. So if you don't have IronFX trading account, you can check the link in my description below to register and sign up, and also deposit to get started with your trading journey. So let's get right into the video. So I'm going to be going to my MetaTrader 4. So I just want you guys to remember that when you are creating your account, they send you an email containing your login, your server details, and your password. So please take note of those information because that's what you'll be using to be linking your MetaTrader 4 to your IronFX account so that you can be able to trade from there. So let's get right there. I'm going to open my MetaTrader 4 right now. Okay, so right here on my MetaTrader 4, and I'm going to click on this icon saying quotes over here. And I'm going to click on manage accounts. So I already have my Exness account linked already. So I want to create a new account. I'm going to click on this plus sign over here. And I'm going to click log in to an existing account. That's your IronFX account. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to search for the broker. Over here, IronFX, or you can just search for the server directly. So I'm going to copy the server that they sent me from my email. So I've copied the server already and I'm going to paste it over here. I'm going to paste it. So this is the server that they gave me, IronFX BM Real 14. I'm going to copy the password and the login that was given to me as well. I'm going to paste the login and copy the password as well. So these are my login and password that was sent to me in my email, and I'm going to click on sign in. Please make sure that the server and the login and the password is accurate. Please don't go and make any mistake. If not, it's going to be showing connecting or no connection. You wouldn't want that. So once you're done, you're going to click on sign in. So as you can see, my IronFX account has been successfully connected to my MetaTrader 4. As you can see the details over here, access point. It's not showing anything like connecting or no connection. As you can see, it's fully set and is ready to. I just need to do right now is to deposit in my IronFX broker and I can start trading the real market right here in MetaTrader 4. So we come to the end of this video, and I appreciate if you like this video, and if you have any questions you can drop it on the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so as you can get notifications anytime we drop any other videos relating to this or forex updates. Thank you and see you in my next video.